In today's video, I'm going to be talking about negation language, which just simply means negative language. You see, the unconscious mind does not process negative commands. Negation language we can utilize to embed commands into a person's unconscious mind. It is an extremely sneaky form of covert hypnosis. In order to make negation language work, we must speak in these negative terms, such as, it's not important for you to listen intently because you might not receive tons of value. It's not important. See yourself utilizing the technique and getting immediate results. Negation language creates this confusion. And I speak a lot about confusion as the gateway into trance. It's the doorway into hypnosis. Once you can create confusion, the unconscious mind opens up and you have a doorway to implant suggestions and commands. I wouldn't suggest you go out in the world and start to test. You might not get all the results. So I'll give you a few negation words now so you can start to practice them. It's words such as, I don't know, it's not important, it doesn't matter, don't focus on the sound of my voice. I don't know if you can't. Anything that negates what you're going to say. So you say, I don't know. And then what you're going to do is you're going to give a command straight after that. I will show you an example now. I don't know if you can listen intently. I don't know is the negation, and listen intently is the command. So I'll give you another example. It's not important to focus all your attention. It's not important is the negation. Focus all your attention is the command. It's super easy, super powerful, super effective. Go out and test it in the world. Get results immediately. Remember, whatever you tell a person not to do, they will actually do. Don't think about what I'm saying. Check out my course. Otherwise, check out these videos. They will give you more information and have a hypnotic day further.